To be, sein. To be, sein. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, that is, das ist, and now we are learning how to say we are. So we in German is wir, wir. Notice the W is pronounced like a V sound in English. Wir, wir. We, wir, we, wir, we, wir. We are, wir sind. We are, wir sind. We are, wir sind. We are, wir sind. Okay, let's review some vocabulary here. To be, sein, we are, wir sind, nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch, happy, froh. So now we can put it all together. If you want to say we are nice, you would say, wir sind nett. We are friendly, wir sind freundlich. We are brave, wir sind mutig. We are funny, wir sind komisch. We are happy, wir sind froh. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.